council habaro kilia.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma dismissed the notion that Npp'S performance in the Khasi Hills was hindered by the perception of being a Garo party, following the party securing only 4 seats in the KHDC. While admitting expectations for better results, he highlighted that Npp garnered more votes compared to the previous MP elections. He also downplayed the rise of VPP, noting their vote share decline in the MDC poll. Sangma stressed that elections are shaped by local issues and downplayed any direct impact on the upcoming GHDC election. He expressed hope for the reconciliation and positive cooperation among all political parties.
Again, we don't look at anything lightly. We have to also remember that we have been running the council now continuously for almost 10 years now. So there will be challenges, no doubt about it, and we'll have to work hard. But yes, we are not taking anything lightly. But the results here technically will not directly impact the elections in Garo Hills. Garo Hills will be different factor. It's against a district council election. So there'll be district council issues, there'll be local issues, I think, which will be more important than any kind of an election result out here in Khasi Hills affecting the Garo Hills result.